Alright, so in this video, we want to solve for the value of c that will make the system of linear equation below to have no solution. Now, for a system of linear equation to have no solution, then the two equations must have the same slope but different y-intercept. So the first thing we need to do is to first express these two equations. So let's call this equation 1 and let's call this equation 2. So we're going to be expressing the two equations in slope-intercept form. That is, we're going to express it in y is equal to what? Mx plus what? C. Okay? So first of all, and the idea behind that is to determine if they have different intercepts. Then we'll now look at what value of c we make them to have the same slope. So I will express this in slope-intercept form. So if I want to do it, I can write it as what? Cx, right, minus 6 is equal to what? 2y. So if I rewrite this, I can see that 2y is equal to what? Cx minus 6. So divide through by the coefficient of y, which is 2. Right? This one cancel this. So what we have is, we now have what? Y is equal to what? Cx minus 6 over what? 2. Which can also be written as what? Cx over 2 minus what? 6 over 2. So this one give us c over 2 what? X minus 6 over 2 will give us what? 3. So we have what? Y is equal to what? C over 2 what? X minus what? 3. So this is still equation 1. It's just an extension of equation 1. So the next thing is for us to also write this particular equation in slope-intercept form. So if we also write it in slope-intercept form, we have what? 3x, right, plus 4y is equal to what? 4. So in that case, we can say 4y is equal to what? 4 minus what? 3x. So if I rearrange this, I have 4y will now be minus 3x plus 4. We now divide through by the coefficient of y, which is 4, divided by 4. So this cancels this. So at the end of it, we have what? Y will now be equal to what? Minus 3 over 4x, right? Plus 4 over 4, basically. Because if we distribute 4 to both sides, or if we find the LCM of this, we get this. What I'm trying to say is this is the same thing as saying minus 3x over 4 plus 4 over 4, right? So now have y will now be minus 3 over 4x, 4 cancel 4, then plus 1. So this is still equation 2, but expressed in slope-intercept form. So if you look at equation 1 and 2, they have different intercept. So now the only thing we want to look at is that what value of their slope. If we let me bring the two together so as not to. So the equation 1, we have what? Y is equal to what? C over 2x minus 3. Right? This is equation 1. And equation 2, we have y is equal to minus 3 over 4 what? X plus 1, which is equation 2. So what I'm trying to say in essence is that for these two equations to have no solution, they must have different y-intercept, which we have been able to confirm here. How did I know? You know that from slope-intercept form, we have y is equal to what? Mx plus c. Where c in this case is the what? Y-intercept. M in this case is the what? Is the slope, okay? So since they both have different y-intercept, so what is the value of c that will make this slope to be the same? Because for them to have no solution, they must have the same slope but different y-intercept. So all we just need to do is to equate their slope. So we now equate what? C over 2 will now be equal to minus 3 over what? Over 4. So if we cross multiply, we have what? C times 4, that is 4c is equal to 2 times minus 3, that is minus what? 6. Divide both sides by the coefficient of c, that is 4. That is 4. So we have what? C is equal to minus 6 over 4. And what is minus 6 over 4? Minus 6 over 4 means that 2 in minus 6, that is minus 3. And 2 in 4, that is what? 2. So this will give us minus what? 3 over 2. So the value of c that will make this system of linear equations, to have no solution is what? Minus what? 3 over 2. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. This will encourage me to produce more videos, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.